How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today and we got to take a look at a plug toilet. Let's see what we find. How you doing, sir?
Okay.
You got a plug toilet?
Don't have a key.
No, they didn't give me a key. They said you'd be home. How do they know, right?
Okay.
Do you mind if I take a look at your toilet for you?
Oh,
Yeah?
I'm waiting for that the whole day.
Really?
Yeah, but much stuff.
I know, right? I'll take care of it for you.
Okay.
Where are we going here? Around here? In here? Yeah.
I was scared to eat anything. No, you must not.
I know.
So I was ready if I eat it.
No problem. I'm going to get it going for you. All right. Just like that, eh? Yeah. And then one more. Good, eh? Hey.
Thank you.
No problem, my friend. No problem.
Can I have a little exercise eating post it?
Well, now you can do everything.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Go have some dinner
Oh, yeah.
and then use the washroom.
No, I don't have to thinking about that.
Exactly, you're right. Now you don't got to worry about it. All right?
That was nice.
Have a good night.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. No problem. All right, guys, there you go. Another happy customer. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna. Your toilet? You having issues? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. Thanks.
Alright, there we go.
All right, there you go. All done, yeah.
God bless you.
No problem. Have a good night, okay?
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, there you go, guys. Nice, easy one. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.